In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best Trello alternatives. If you've been using Trello for a while, you probably love how simple it is. Boards, lists, and cards that you can drag and drop. But as your projects grow, you might start to feel its limitations. Maybe you need better reporting, more automation, or deeper customization. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top alternatives, grouped by what they're best at, so you can quickly identify which tool fits your workflow. Let's start with the strongest overall alternatives. The first one is Monday.com. Think of Monday as Trello on steroids. It keeps the visual, colorful feel of boards, but lets you customize almost everything: fields, views, automations, and dashboards. It's especially good for larger projects and cross-functional teams where marketing, product, and operations all need to collaborate in one place. Next is ClickUp. ClickUp positions itself as an all-in-one workspace that can replace multiple tools at once. It has a very generous free plan and supports tasks, docs, goals, and whiteboards all under one roof. If you're tired of switching between different apps and want one central hub for work, ClickUp is worth a serious look. Then there's Asana. Asana shines when you're managing complex, evolving projects with lots of dependencies. It offers multiple ways to visualize work: lists, boards, timelines, and calendars. It also has strong features for team communication, so tasks don't get lost in endless chat threads. Now let's move to options that are best for specific use cases. Airtable is ideal if you like spreadsheets but need more structure. You can combine a database-style table with Kanban boards, which is great for complex data like content calendars, inventories, or research. Jira is tailored to software teams working with Agile, Scrum, or Kanban. It comes with deep integration options and powerful workflows, so it's better suited to development teams than general business users. Rike is stronger in reporting and resource management. Larger organizations and marketing teams often prefer it because managers can easily see who's overloaded and which projects are at risk. MeisterTask is perfect if you want something that feels a lot like Trello, but cleaner and faster. It keeps a simple Kanban approach without overwhelming you with extra modules. Notion is best when you want to blend a team wiki, documentation, and light project tracking. You can create pages, databases, and simple boards all in one flexible workspace. If budget is your priority, there are some excellent free alternatives. Plakey stands out because it offers truly unlimited users and projects on its free plan, which is rare. Freedcamp also has a strong free tier with good permissions control, making it suitable if you need to separate different clients or departments. Tiger.io focuses on simple open source Kanban and Agile project management, which is especially appealing to technical teams who value open source tools. As you compare these tools, keep the key differences in mind. Trello's strength is its simplicity, but many of these alternatives include advanced features like time tracking, reporting, and automation right out of the box, without relying heavily on add-ons. If those capabilities are important to you, platforms like Monday and ClickUp often provide a smoother, more scalable experience than Trello as your team and projects grow.